Hey, what's going on guys? This is Yvon with Photography. Thank you so much for watching my video and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be looking at the Canon EOS R5 and how I use it and all the camera settings as well on how to do hybrid shooting. So that's video and photo at the same time. Whether it's for like a small portrait session or a wedding, I'm going to show you guys the basics on how I use it. So the main thing about the EOS R5 is the ability to switch between photo and video mode really quickly. Right now I'm in the customize manual mode for photo, so the C3M. And most of the time I will be spending my time in this mode for pictures. So I can easily snap pictures right here. And the thing is with the EOS R and the R5, also the R6, but I have the R5 here, is that you can press this big red button over here to quickly switch into video mode. And as soon as you press it, it's gonna start recording video right away, which is amazing to take really quick bursts of short video clips that you can edit on later. And the other thing is that there's another button here, the M function button, where you can customize it to do whatever you want. But I made it so that if I press it, it'll go into my video mode, the C2M customized mode. And this one, it does 4K 24 FPS, which is amazing. And if I press it back, it'll go back into my photo mode. So I can quickly switch between different video modes and go back into my photo mode. And I can do all of that really easily, and there's no lag at all, especially if you have a very good performant CF Express card, which I do. I use the Sony Tough one. But just to show you guys again, this is my standard photo mode. And just to show you guys my video mode, so I'll go into here. So whenever I press my red button, it'll go into my C3M video mode. And this one, it does 4K 60 FPS. And my second mode does 4K 24 FPS. So this one will go into my second video mode, the 24 FPS, and the red button will instantly go into the 4K 60 FPS. So I can very, very quickly switch between photo mode. I snap some pictures. If I want to record in 60 FPS, I will press the red button like this. And if I press it again, it'll go back into my photo mode. But then if I want to shoot in 24 FPS, I just press this. It'll go into my second video mode, the 24 FPS, and I can start recording at 24 FPS, which I find is just totally amazing. I can quickly switch between all the video modes that I need, all the photo mode that I need, and I find the R5 to be one of the best hybrid camera that I've ever used personally. And it's great for weddings and portraits, all things like that. So thank you guys for watching my video. Feel free to let me know what kind how you guys use the R5, and if you're doing hybrid shooting, what are your settings? I would love to know. So please drop a like, put a comment in the video below, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you.